Trimble Transportation Cloud. Connectivity by Trimble. Solutions for everyone. Trimble has owned the process of moving freight for decades. We know the industry because we are the industry. Unfortunately, every industry player, drivers, fleets, shippers, intermediaries, even technology providers, has been hobbled by the limitations of disconnected systems. So many of the products we rely on to drive our work forward exist in a highly fragmented ecosystem. Trimble's vision for the transportation industry is to create a global, seamless, connected supply chain. That's why our newest innovation is not a product, but an industry cloud that unifies all transportation stakeholders. Imagine if every neighborhood had to build and maintain a separate road into town. Getting anywhere would be impossible. Instead, vast networks of roads and highway systems are engineered for efficiency. This streamlined infrastructure connects large metropolitan areas, rural communities, and even spans the distance between countries without any direct involvement from the everyday driver. The inception of freeways changed the landscapes of travel and transportation forever, moving people and goods faster, cheaper, and easier than ever before. All you need to do is drive up the on-ramp. In the same way, the Transportation Cloud connects the services your business consumes to one another and your partners, allowing your team to focus on the use of your data instead of the infrastructure that moves it. Like the highway provides an efficient way to journey between neighborhoods, cities, and geographical areas, our industry cloud enables data to flow through and between each product, service, and user. This network of cloud-enabled services and connected workflows empowers you to choose the solutions that work best for your operations, without limiting you to specific products or solutions providers. Transportation is evolving. The shift from competition to collaboration is the natural next step towards achieving a seamless, transparent supply chain. The Trimble Transportation Cloud welcomes customers, partners, and yes, competitors too, into a common environment that blurs the lines between native and third-party applications. Monolithic systems breed complexity. This multi-tenant, domain-driven environment supports the rapid innovation and dynamic improvement required to create a simple yet fully integrated user experience. TTC allows you to leverage data from all your solutions, regardless of who created them. At Trimble, we create the connections to transform the industry. Connecting technology, connecting solutions, connecting you. That's Trimble Transportation.